Hi, I want to give you a quick overview of how I see the Viva suite working together. So Viva, of course, is an offering that Microsoft has cobbled together through a series of acquisitions and developed software. And I see it to look a bit like this. At the center of it all is Viva goals, because I think strategy is the center of what every organization does. You need to set the strategy. And then surrounding that, in no logical order other than alphabetical, are a series of modules that make up Viva suites. Now, I'm going to go through each one in a second, but I just want to outline that first, Copilot is not actually formally an element of Viva suite, but because it's being overlaid into every single module, I've included it here because it's an important touchstone on using AI. Secondly, Glint is the one that stands out. It's got a logo that doesn't quite work with the others. I'm sure its refresh is in the way, and so I apologize that this video will get dated once that gets released. And then finally, I've not included Teams. Teams is really part of this, but not part of it. Teams becomes a container as opposed to adding any specific functionality and a communication central system. So it's a component of it, but it's kind of, think of it as a background of the slide as Teams. So a quick overview of each application. So goals, as I said before, is all about strategy execution through objectives and key results. Amplify allows you to create content once and then republish it in multiple channels. So amplifies the message. Connections is a portal within Teams that allows you to connect to all relevant data, many of which will be contained from Viva, but other sources as well. Copilot, as I alluded to, is an AI capability overlay. Engage is a tool that applies AI to your communications. What it does is it provides connections to all sorts of other content. So let's say you want to write up an article on marketing. It's going to grab data from across your Microsoft ecosystem and any API and provide that as part of the context of that conversation to give you better fidelity in your communications. Glint is an organization-wide survey tool that has AI analysis built into it already. Insights allows actual workplace data and analytics to be included. So where Glint goes out and does a survey and you tell it what your opinions are, Insight takes a look at the behaviors of employees to see if it models and matches what the surveys are telling us. Learning is kind of a portal to all your learning assets and LMSs. Pulse is a pulse survey instrument. Sales is interesting. It allows AI overlay to all sales and CRM activities. So we'll automatically create the client file, maintain all communications, keep documentation of what pricing's been offered, etc. Does the standard sales call, speech analysis, etc. And then finally, topics is AI to organize data into cards and things. So think of, in a message, you can have a hyperlink text. When I click on it, a topic card pops up that gives you more detail and you can drill through it and so on. So that's the suite. In the following videos, I'll walk you through how these coordinate to deliver specific needs in the organization.